Hello, and today we'll be showing you the workflow of this particular plugin. That's the Opencart Marketplace Seller Badge plugin that basically allows the marketplace admin to set the badges for the marketplace vendors, and the admin can very easily create these badges and can then assign these badges to the sellers as per requirement. You can create multiple required badges as per your own requirement. You can set their value as well for each of these badges that you've created. So right now you can see that we have also this particular thing where you can see the rank, price, value and quality details from here, from the seller information section. And also these badges are visible to the customers at the storefront, on the product page, and some other places as well as on the seller's profile page. Apart from that, you can see it on the what we say as the landing page as well. That's the marketplace page. So if I tap here and go to the sell page, let me open that up in another window. So right now you can see this is the customer flow. So on the product page we have these badges for this particular seller whose product we are selling out, and the customer wants to purchase that. So the customer can check the seller's info, the ratings and the badges that have been assigned, and the total products as well. Right now, as you can see, the details for the products that he sells within your Opencart multi-vendor marketplace web store. And apart from that, on the sell page, as you can see, this is the marketplace sell page, and here we have different things we have set up. So basically along under the long time sellers section, as you can see, then we have the latest products. And if we go to the long time sellers, here you can see the sellers are being displayed here. The long time sellers are there within the multi-vendor marketplace there selling out their products. And here you can see the total number of products from, and the badges that have been assigned to these particular sellers. So the admin can easily change the badges as well. So for example, if you're giving him a gold, you can give him a silver as well. You can update that at per your own part there. And these are also visible here on the sell page. As you can see, the marketplace badges that the admin has assigned to the marketplace sellers under the badges heading. Here you have the badges. You can scroll through the badges received by each of these sellers. So he has the gold one and the bronze one. This has the silver and the gold one. So before we proceed further and show you the workflow of this particular plugin at the admin's end, and then on the vendor's end as well, how the vendor can check these badges that have been assigned to them, please do subscribe to our channel, and please do give us a thumbs up if you like this particular video, so that we get more motivated to create more such particular videos for your e-commerce sector there. And do press the bell icon to get the latest updates on the different feature rich plugins that we are bringing in for the multiple open source platforms there. So now we'll be heading and we'll be checking the vendors in, how the vendors can see the badges that have been assigned to them. So for that, I'll just do one thing. I'll just log into my vendor account first, and here I'll just enter my email address for my vendor account. So I'll just copy and paste that up here, and just enter the password. I'll just paste that up and log in. So I'll be logged into my vendor account now, as you can see, and I'll just close it out. Now to check the badges that I've assigned, on the right hand side we have the marketplace account block, and if I go to the section here, I'll just show you that we have that that's basically the my profile section. So I'll just stamp that up. That brings up the account info section, as you can see, and on the profile page at the very top you can see the heading is the badges and the different badges assigned to this particular seller. That's the gold and the silver, and one more is his winner of some kind of a thing there as well, for maybe for his shipping that he does his shipping. That's very good and liked by customers. So this is how the vendors will find the badges that have been assigned to them, by navigating to my profile, and they'll find these badges. So that was the vendors end. And one more thing is there, that when we go to the seller information just about this badges section, if I just hover my mouse on these star ratings here, the customers can see the badge rank basically, and it's visible there, and basically it shows the rank of the badge that the vendors have received within the marketplace itself. Now let's go to the admin backend and let's see how this can all be set up from the admin backend, how we can create the what we say as the badges, how we can manage the badges, how we can assign them, how we can assign multiple badges to a vendor, how we can change the badges that we have already assigned, and much more. So for that, I'll just take you to the admin backend panel, and we'll be logging into our Opencart Multi-Vendor Marketplace there. So I'll just tap here to log in, and we'll be logged in into the admin backend panel for the same. And after the successful installation of this particular plugin, that's the vendor marketplace badges, you need to navigate to the marketplace module, and here scroll down at the second last we have the seller badges. If I tap on that, we have the manage badges and the manage seller badges. So under the manage badges, we'll be managing the badges, and under the manage seller badges, we'll be managing the badges for the marketplace vendors. So let's go to the manage badges section first. So here the admin can find the complete list of marketplace badges that he has created. So here we have a winner, gold, silver, bronze, the description of the badges, the rank for each of the badges. So here you can see that 3 is the third most not that good. So it's for the bronze, 2 for the silver, 1 for the gold. 1 is very good for the gold winner, that's also 1. So you can create anyone, and you can edit to anyone by tapping edit under the actions column. You can change the badge name, description, image, the rank, and the status for the same. Now let's go back, and to add a new marketplace badge, just tap here on the add button. That brings up the create badge section. Set up your badge name. For example, we set it as test, the description, DSC, the image, let me upload one, open, it's uploaded. We can set the rank, we can set it as enabled, disabled. Now let's tap save as the badge gets saved. Now let's go to the other section under the marketplace, and then seller badges. We have the manage seller badges. So here the admin would be able to manage the badges for the marketplace sellers, and to manage the same, just tap here on the add button. That brings up the section to select the seller name. I can choose, for example, Sim Thompson or John Doe. I'll choose the badge name that I want to give to him. So I'll give him gold. I'll tap on the save button. Okay, I don't have the permission for that, but this is just a demonstration and a local demo here, so I don't have the access right now. So accordingly, after you've given the badges, the seller name along with the assigned badge name would be visible. The email, the date, you can edit it from the edit button under the actions column. You can change it to a silver one. You can tap save, and the same would then be reflected, and the badge that was gold would be changed to silver that you assigned to this particular vendor. Now let's just check the initial configurations required for this particular of this particular plugin before we make use of the same. So for that, we'll be just navigating through our extensions, and then extensions, and on the extensions page we just need to choose our extension type as modules, and here we'll be scrolling down to our particular module, that's the marketplace seller badges. Tap edit under the actions column, and from here you can see that we have 2 different tabs to configure this particular plugin and to send the mails within that as well. So under the general, we have the status as enabled or disabled, whether you want to enable it or you want to disable this particular functionality within your web store. Then you have different width in percentage for the different images that you have. So we can set up the image background color. You can choose from here. You can change it up. You can set up the badge title background. If you remember, we had a heading with an orange color, and there was badge written within that. So we can set that up as well. Then we have the badge title color, and we can set up the image width and the height in pixels for the image background and for the badge title background as well. Now let's come to the mails section. From here we can send the mail status. If we enable this particular thing, then the mail would be sent out to the marketplace vendors whenever you'll be assigning or adding the badge for the marketplace vendors. So you can enable or disable this functionality to send the mail at the time of badge assignment. You can set up the mail subject as badge assigned to your profile. You can set up your uh, content for your mail that you want to send out, and then just tap here on the save button to save this particular initial configurations for this particular plugin. That's the Opencart Multimedia Marketplace Vendor Badge plugin. So that was much about the plugin itself, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. And if you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirement, then kindly send us a mail at support@webkul.com. You can also raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com with your concerns. Apart from that, do give it a thumbs up if you like the video. And thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.